Good morning, dear children. Today in this English class, we are going to start with the chapter number 3 in your English course, that is washing clothes with my mom. First of all, children, I would like to ask you that being at home in this lockdown period, what are you doing to help your mothers? The girls might be helping, but the boys are not interested. But you should always help children, because you will learn in this story that how the son used to help his mother waking up in the morning and doing the laundry. So this is the story. This story is told by the boy himself. He is telling about his childhood, when he used to be a 7-year-old boy and there were 14 members in the family and there was only one bathroom. So giving time to each one was very difficult. So what the boy did, he used to wake up early in the morning before his siblings. Siblings means the elder or the younger brother or sister. What he did, he used to get up early and had the bath. He used to go to the washroom and get ready before everyone used to get up. So what his mother did, his mother gave him an old wind up clock so he could wake up early. And what was the time schedule to get up? It was 5:30 in the morning. Once the boy got up and he walked downstairs quietly as possible and had a bath. Quietly as possible means he did not want anybody else to get up to go to the washroom, because he wanted to be the first to get ready. And he bathed and he heard something. He heard what? He heard stirring in the bedroom, which was adjacent to the bathroom. And when he completed his bath, he was going back upstairs and he heard something again. He heard what? He heard a buzzing in the basement. What was it? It was the sound of the washing machine. He then tiptoed, means he quietly went to the basement landing and looked around the corner on the stairs. He was standing on the stairs and he was looking what was happening early in the morning. Mom was bent over the dryer which you have in your washing machine to dry the clothes, pulling clothes out and then setting them on the table. What was she doing early in the morning? He went to her. What are you doing, Mom? He asked, because he was very surprised to see her mother doing the laundry early in the morning. I heard buzzing, he said. What are you doing? The mother said, washing clothes. And then surprisingly he asked, so early? 4 days a week, she said. Means the mother used to get up 4 days a week to do the laundry early in the morning. And what time was she awake every day? She used to get up at 4 o'clock. Children, see the hardships of the mother. Washing clothes early in the morning, cooking for you. You should always help your mother. So she said, I get up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Every 4 days she gets up at 4 o'clock to do the laundry. She explained that it was necessary to keep us clean. The boy is telling about his mother, children. Then the boy asked again, Dad is up too? Means Dad is also awake? Why is he awake? Then the mother said, yes, I know, he has some paperwork. The dad also, his father also used to get up early in the morning to do his paperwork of the office. While the mother was doing the laundry, the father was doing the paperwork of the office. Because what was the reason why father used to get up so early? Because it was the time where everything was calm, everything was quiet, and he can concentrate in his work. Why are you singing, mother? Mummy was singing something. The buzzing sound and the beeping sound, some of the sounds were of what, children? It was the mother singing. Why? Why was the mother singing? Because she was enjoying her work. She was enjoying her work and she was not being upset. Why, children? Because getting up so early, everybody is sleeping, and she was the only one who has the work. So not to be upset, she used to sing and enjoy her work early in the morning. Then the boy asked, Mom still used an old Ringler washer. Means she had an old fashioned machine, children. It was not the new model. And she was very thrilled, and she had scrapped together enough money to get a clothes dryer. And she had collected money to get a clothes dryer also, so that the work can be done easier and faster. She would haven't to hang clothes outside during winter anymore. Means in winter, children, you ask your mothers that she always have difficulty in drying clothes. So the boy's mother, what she did, she gathered money, and she bought a new dryer for herself. It was quite an old fashioned dryer also, because it was not so expensive. The expensive ones comes very new models, and the lint filter of the dryer had to be cleaned after every load. After every time when we take out the clothes, the dryer had to be cleaned. So, can I help? He asked. Who asked? The boy. The boy asked his mother, can I help you? Then the mother said, sure, why not? You can help me anytime. Mom started another load. Started another load means she was putting another pile of clothes in the washing machine to be washed. And what she said, what the mom said, while I am loading another clothes, while the clothes are being washed, you have a small nap. And she just in front of the dryer, she placed a large towel for the boy to sleep. And when the machine beeped again, he will get up and help his mother. While he was sleeping, children, the load has been done, and there was a soft, comfortable the air was coming out of the machine. So he had slept very comfortably, and he was very thrilled. He was very excited to help his mother. And what he did, he folding clothes and drying clothes. He was very excited to do all these things. And what then happened? Then the machine beeped, and he got up and helped his mother for the job. Well done. After the work has been done, the mother said, well done, you have helped me, dropping clothes before I got them on the table. When my elder sister woke, the boy is telling, when his elder sister, he had an elder sister, she used to wake up at 6 o'clock. They took their bath and carry the folded clothes. Mom carried the folded clothes upstairs. That was a ritual that I had not noticed until that morning. The boy is telling, this was happening. The mother used to get up 4 times a week, and this was happening since many years. But on that day only, he was able to contribute to this work. He was able to help his mother from that day onwards. And always, till the boy was old enough to go outside and study, he used to help his mother while he was at home. The next morning, I set the alarm at 4 o'clock, he said. And that day he got up late. He was late to help his mother, but the next day onwards, he also set his watch at 4 o'clock to get up with his mother and help his mother. See, such a nice boy. Boys also have to help their mothers. And then the same ritual used to run. He used to sleep and have his nap till the load was done, till the clothes were washed and dried. When the machine beeped, he used to get up and again help his mother. So the next routine was for several years. This routine was continued for several years, and then the boy is telling about he was very nostalgic. He was remembering all these days when he used to be with his mother and helped his mother and helped in their hardships. And sometimes when I am working, I catch myself singing a song I learned in that old basement and smile. When his mother used to sing and smile, he also, now he is very fond of singing those songs which he learned in that basement with his mother, from his mother. It's amazing to me how seemingly insignificant moments create fond memories that last a lifetime. Means all these memories of his remembered for a lifetime. He will always remembering his mother, her hardships, the songs, and all this has become a beautiful memory for him. Okay, children? Thank you. These are the hard words of the chapter Washing Clothes with My Mom. You have to do it in your course copies 3 times each spelling. 3 times each spelling. Okay, children, please note down the hard words 3 times each spelling. You have to write it in your course copies. This is chapter number 3.